Namaste car lovers, welcome to my channel Car Deals and I am Kanishk Satri. Welcome to another new video जहाँ हम करने वाले हैं कस्टमर रिव्यू ऑफ द ऑल न्यू रेनॉ काइगर. बट आज की वीडियो थोड़ी सी डिफरेंट होने वाली है. 99% आपने जो कस्टमर रिव्यू देखे होंगे यूट्यूब पे वो देखे होंगे मेल, क्योंकि कार्स एंड ऑल जो सेक्शन होता है वो ज़्यादातर मेल का होता है, मेल डोमिनेटेड. बट आज की वीडियो थोड़ी अलग होने वाली है. हमारे पास है मैम जिनकी ये कार है, तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपको ऐसी मिलने वाली है गर्लिश वाली. तो मैम ने पूरी स्टडी करी है, सारी चीज़ें जो बेसिकली रहती हैं वो कार को बाय करने से पहले जितनी भी रिसर्च करी गई है वो सब मैम ने करी है. हमारे क्वेश्चंस का जो जवाब देने वाली है वो एक मैम देने वाली है. तो भाई वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं जल्दी से. सो मैम, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपका नेम?
हेलो, आई एम मिताली विज.
ओके, सो कौन सी कार है आपके पास?
आई हैव रेनॉ काइगर.
विच वेरिएंट?
टॉप वेरिएंट. सो दिस इज ऑटोमेटिक एंड द टॉप मॉडल ऑफ काइगर.
ओके, सो कब ली थी आपने ये कार?
जनवरी, this year January.
Okay, so almost in
7-8 months, yes.
How much you have driven it?
5,000 kilometers.
City ride or highway ride?
But it is all city ride, yes. Mostly in the traffic times because I take this car to office. So अभी तक highway driving नहीं हुई है इसकी.
So कैसा response रहा है अभी तक?
Very good. Okay. And I am very surprised with this car, with its performance and everything.
Why you are surprised?
This was not my first choice of car, and I did not expect the performance to be so good. Okay. And so hence it has surprised me in many segments.
Okay, nice. So first of all, tell me about the looks. How are the looks?
I think it is very good. It's very stylish. It's a mini SUV. It's a very small car, but it gives you the look of mini SUV, and it has very nice curves and the design of the headlights and the tail lights. I really like all of that in this car.
So tell me about the headlights. Headlights का design कैसा है और throw कैसा है इनका?
So इसमें we have the day headlights on the tops which are good, and जो main इसकी headlights हैं for city driving it has been very good. Hardly मैंने कभी इसको high beam पे चलाया है. But of course it has not gone on the highway, so I don't know the highway response for this yet. But so far the headlights have a very good throw and it's very decent to drive.
So what do you think कि highway पे अच्छा रहेगा कि नहीं रहेगा?
I think so. I think it would be pretty good. Yes.
Okay.
Because I've driven in dark roads and everything जहाँ पे headlights, street lights वगैरह नहीं है. So in that area, those areas also the response has been pretty good.
Okay, yeah. So you need basically you need a trip.
Yes.
Highway trip with this.
Yes, I do.
So go on soon.
Yeah, that's the plan.
So ma'am, tell me about the size. मतलब ground clearance के बारे में बताओ पहले. I think ये एक small car है तो थोड़ा सा दिक्कत पड़ता होगा.
It is a small car, but इससे पहले I was driving a sedan. So in comparison to that, I feel the ground clearance is pretty good. And also it has been tested. I have not taken it off-road or anywhere, but it has been tested in the recent Delhi monsoons, जहाँ पे इतनी सारी water logging थी. And I felt pretty confident taking this car into deep water areas with deep waters and uneven ground where I'm not sure कि कितना गड्ढे हैं, gut नाली है and all of that. So in all of those cases I have been pretty confident with how this car has performed in monsoon areas.
So ground clearance के साथ साथ आपने टायर का भी बता दिया. That's a good thing. ठीक है. So basically हम समझ गए कि टायर ने भी आपको अच्छा कॉन्फिडेंस दिया.
Yes.
Okay, so tire size is good.
Tire size is pretty good. These are the alloy wheels which we got with the car.
Okay.
And I think the suspension is pretty decent. Not the best I would say, but it is pretty good for a car of this range. I think it's pretty good. This I really liked. Okay. The design of the backlight, the tail lights. Yeah. So this was again one of the things which really attracted me to the car.
Okay. So basically, tell me from the back.
Good. It has. It's pretty curvy and it's got a very. I really like the design. It has a rear view camera. And because of the design I get enough boot space in this as well.
Open it. Let's check out the boot. Okay, so you get a parcel tray and this is the storage space. Pretty decent, right?
Yeah. So I think I have fitted 2 large suitcases and 2 small suitcases in this.
Okay, after removing this parcel tray, right? Oh, without
Just like pushing it up a little, not removing it completely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so pretty decent.
Pretty decent.
For a family of 3 to 4 people?
Yeah.
Okay, so nice, nice. There's no light?
There is no light. I had the option of getting it added separately, but I didn't take that option.
Okay, that's a nice choice. Okay, so there is rear wiper also.
Yeah.
Which works well.
Which works well, yeah.
Okay, the glass area I think is small, but the view is clear.
Yes, the glass area is small, but it's for city driving wise, it is good.
Okay, in the rear you also get rear parking sensors, so
Yes.
they make noise.
Yeah, when it is close to an object, it does make sound,
Okay,
and it gives the guidelines on everything to reverse park.
are they correct or not?
They are pretty accurate. Yeah,
Okay, that's the good.
yeah.
So
Even
now tell me from the second row, how's the response?
okay, so I think the door opens pretty wide, and it has pretty good leg space. Yes, the height is low. I always bang
I
myself
think it is low to your comparison.
for my height. Yes,
Yeah, what's your height?
my height is 5'11".
Okay, nice.
So yeah,
So yeah, it is.
but if I see the headroom inside,
Okay.
that is pretty good. So it is not. I don't like अंदर से मेरा head जो है वो ऊपर roof पे touch नहीं करता
है जगह.
है जगह और मेरा जो leg space है I have long legs, so उसमें भी it doesn't dig into the seats in the front. So
And
I
the
think
price support I think is small. थोड़ा सा कम.
it is small, but also that's because I think I have a cushion behind me. So if I remove that cushion,
Now it is.
it is better. Yeah.
Now it is good.
And at the back seat, if you want to see, we have the rear AC vents,
Which works good.
which works pretty well. And then we have a charging
Port.
port here.
Okay, 12 volts of the charging port. Okay,
And
nice.
then we have the
armrest.
armrest
Okay. You
with
also have armrest,
glass
nice.
holders here
Twin cup holders and a phone
and a phone
yeah.
holder. Yes.
One thing, the interiors are looking very good.
Thank you.
Uh,
This I have done separately. This is not from the company fitted. These are not the company fitted seat covers. These I have got done separately, and even the mats.
this is how you can identify that it's a girl's car because you can find these things only in a girl car. Otherwise boys का होता तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ काली काली चीजें आपको दिख रही होती. Basically you can see, देखो नीचे भी देखोगे यहाँ पर भी आपको सारा देखो कितना प्रीमियम लग रहा है. Nice.
So those mats,
Okay.
which are black and blue, which don't match with the car, they are the ones which I got with the car,
Okay.
given to me by Renault.
And tell me about the space. What's about?
I think 3 people of my size can fit in the rear seat.
I doubt it.
No, we have tried it.
Okay,
Yeah.
then it's okay.
Yeah. So like I have a lot of cousins and all who come over.
Okay.
So we have tried that. 3 people sitting. Of course, you can't move, but you can adjust. Yes. Okay. So there is another feature that I wanted to show, which is very helpful as a woman. Usually we have carrying 100 things in our hands. Hands are always full. And we have to look for the keys in our bags and pockets and everywhere कि कहाँ रखी है चाबी. So this car has a key card which is like this,
Okay, just like a hotel card.
just like a hotel key card, which I need to just put it in my pocket or keep it in my purse and just forget about it.
Okay.
All I do is I walk close to the car and it opens and I can just get into the car, or I walk away from the car and it closes.
Okay, that's a really good
So
feature.
it is a hands-free kind of things that I don't need to use the key to, lock and unlock the car again and again.
So ma'am, now tell me from the driver's seat, how's the response?
Okay, so this has good seat adjustment options.
Okay.
So I can shift my seat up and down,
Okay.
and of course it has a good recline to it also. Good head space for someone of my height.
Yeah, I
I-
can clearly see that.
Yeah, I think that was another important thing for me while I was choosing my car.
Okay.
And very comfortable height for someone like me, especially to manage the gear, the handbrake, and even for the visibility with the bonnet and all, it was very comfortable.
Okay, tell me about the steering wheel first of all. How's the steering wheel? Is it light?
It is very light, very smooth. Like abhi gaadi khadi hai, tab bhi it is very smooth for me to turn around. I get all the
Connectivity.
controls
Okay.
on the car from this.
And that too, you have a cruise control, I can see.
Yes,
on the
I have
right.
a cruise control in
But
the car.
I think you didn't have used it.
I have used it.
Okay,
I
in the
can
city.
in the city also when I am on a flyover or something where the traffic, especially on days when the traffic is low, I have used the cruise control and it is very comfortable.
On the left side, you get connectivity buttons.
I get all the connectivity buttons
Okay,
for.
so how is the response? This is company fitted.
This is company fitted. I have Android Auto in this.
Apple CarPlay. You don't have a Apple CarPlay.
I don't have Apple, so anyways, this is very good for me for navigation.
Okay.
And then all the music is available.
How's the music response? Speaker response?
Amazing. I can. Put
No, you cannot because
Okay.
it will give you a copyright issue. And we
Okay.
cannot basically monetize it.
Okay.
So,
Sorry, I did not.
okay, so this is the reverse parking camera.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe a dim lighting.
Yes,
clear.
it is. It is actually because of the mist from the humidity and
Okay.
rain. But वैसे it is okay.
Okay.
It's not very bright,
Okay.
but even in the dark, I mean, I can use it, and it has all the beepers.
Okay.
So even if I'm not able to see it very clearly, it alerts me.
Okay, so tell me about the AC response. How is the AC response?
So iska AC is pretty good. So I got this car in January.
Okay.
And I did not use the AC until March.
Okay.
But in March, when I started using the AC, there was an issue. It was not working. I was very upset and I disappointed with Renault in general. And I went to them, and it was something, I think, with the batch of the car, and then they knew what to do, and they said that it happened in a certain batch that there was an issue, but they definitely corrected it within a couple of hours and they returned the car. So since then it has been working very well.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
a very good thing. Okay, so the AC controls are really good. I like this.
Yes.
This is not something you usually see on the other cars, but these are really good.
Yes.
Fan speed, low, and everything looks pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is a automatic CVT.
This is automatic CVT, which was criteria for me to get the car.
Okay, so you don't want an AMT.
No, so when I was thinking about buying a car, I tried a lot of AMT cars,
Okay.
and I did not feel very good while driving those cars. I thought that there is a lag in the car is not picking up
Okay.
as well as I would have expected it to. Before this, I was driving Ford.
Okay.
Ford Classic.
Okay.
So it was a manual car, but it had an amazing engine and good power to the car, and that is what I was looking. I mean, I felt that I'm degrading myself a lot when I was checking out all the other cars, but when I tried this one, I felt that power and that lag is not there in this car. The
Yeah.
power is pretty good.
Okay, so you have plenty of space here.
Yeah, so I have a wireless charger here.
Okay.
I have this area to keep anything that I want to keep here.
Okay.
Then we have a bottle holder
Okay. And
inside here, and if I need more space, I can open this, so this can
pretty
become
much space.
Yeah.
But this is not company fitted, right?
this. This tray is what I have got them to add to this thing.
Okay. From the showroom.
From the
itself?
showroom itself.
Okay.
It was one of their add-ons.
For how much?
They gave it to me for free.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a good thing. Nice.
I picked a deal with them.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there's the knob for
So
city modes.
Yes,
I think
so
modes.
this has two more modes. This has the car has an eco mode and a
Okay.
sports mode.
Have you driven it?
Yes, so I have tried. Usually in the city I try it on eco mode.
Okay.
पहले मुझे बहुत हेजिटेशन होता था बिकॉज आई थॉट कि इको में वो जो पावर मुझे चाहिए थी गाड़ी में वो थोड़ी कम होगी.
Okay.
But when I started driving it regularly, it is very comfortable to drive it in the city on eco mode. Plus, it does affect, like it does help with the mileage and everything. And sports mode, I have only driven it a couple of times when the roads have been empty.
Okay.
So that has a very good pickup and
Pickup,
yeah.
nice. That's a good thing. Okay, so this is the thing you were telling about.
Yeah, so it has two dashboards.
Okay.
One is a small one that you have here,
Okay.
and the regular dashboard that we have here, and this comes with a vent.
Okay.
So this
cool.
is the cooled one.
Okay, and that too with the lighting.
Yes.
Okay, nice.
Oh yeah, so we have a ambient lighting button here.
Okay.
So
you
at
can
night time when I switch it on, we have light over the wireless charger and at the doors.
Okay, so this is really, really nice. Nice. So, guys, this is how you can identify a girl's car. First of all, you have wet wipes there and something to munch on in this, and in the storage space you have that perfume. This is how you can clearly identify that this is a girl's car, unlike a boy's where you didn't find a tissue. So मैम अब चलते हैं ड्राइव पे. अब ड्राइविंग से रिस्पॉन्स बताना कैसा रिस्पॉन्स रहता है.
Okay.
ठीक है, सबसे पहले तो चलिए गाड़ी को ऑन करो दोबारा. क्या गाड़ी को ऑन करते हुए नॉइज आती है?
Okay. So.
ओके, थोड़ा सा आवाज आती है ना?
Yeah. There is enough sound.
या 3 सिलेंडर इंजन है तो थोड़ी सी साउंड आती है.
Yeah.
ओके, लेट्स गो फॉर अ ड्राइव. Tell me about the acceleration first of all.
Okay, so on a normal mode, the acceleration is pretty good.
Okay.
It's very comfortable pickup. You don't feel jerks
Okay.
while picking up, and normal mode पे it is very comfortable. But when I go to eco mode,
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा गाड़ी को ऐसा लगता है कि push चाहिए है. But then that is the whole point of having it on eco mode कि it is on power saving and it should not pick up.
Give you that power
Yes.
which is necessary.
Yes.
Okay.
And turbo में when I put it on the sports mode,
Okay.
you put it on high speed immediately, तो थोड़ा सा jerk होता है, but then it picks up really fast.
So we can say the highway के लिए sports mode is good.
Yes, I mean, if you need to go up to that level of power and all, then I think you need the sports mode. But on a regular drive, I think normal and eco is pretty good.
Okay. Tell me about the comfort. कि जो cushioning है वो कैसी है? For the long rides, is it comfortable or not?
It is very comfortable for a person of my height. I think the headrest is pretty comfortable. The backrest is pretty comfortable.
Okay.
And I have this armrest which works really well for me to have my hands on the handbrake, and I don't need to use the gear that much, but to have it in access to all the areas, it is pretty comfortable.
Okay, so turning radius is good, which I can clearly see.
Yeah.
The car's size is small, that's why you get a good turning radius, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and the size you can see on the basically for daily roads the size is good.
For daily roads, it's very comfortable.
It's
and
very comfortable.
Yeah.
You can access any road, है ना?
Exactly.
So tell me about the visibility. How's the glass area and all?
The visibility is pretty good. I think, except only the fact that all the new cars have these wider bands, which can cause some visibility issues with two-wheelers coming from the sides.
Okay.
But overall, I think it is pretty comfortable.
Okay, so visibility is good, but the IRVM, I think it's small. It should
Yeah.
be wider.
Yeah. It is.
And that too, you don't get a sunroof.
Yeah.
Do you need a sunroof?
I am usually the only driver and the only person in the car, so it was not a requirement for me because I am not going to be driving and using the sunroof. So that was not one of the requirements for me, and Renault Kiger does not have sunroof.
So tell me about the instrument cluster. How is it? It's animated. Yeah.
So yeah, the instrument cluster is actually pretty clear, and it has, of course, the fuel meter and the temperature gauge, and it does show the mileage, which don't see as of now.
Okay, why? Okay, now we will be coming to that.
Okay, so the average that I'm getting in this car is around 13.5, 14, in city driving.
City driving.
But recently, when I got a fuel refilled, I just resetted a lot of settings in this, and it went down to 6. So I am still now getting it up to 10, but yeah, I need to bring it up to 13 again. But I think that's just an average. But overall, I am getting around 13 to 14 kilometers.
So we can expect around 16 to 17 on the highway?
Yes, I think so.
Tell me about the competitors which you were looking while buying this car.
So this car was definitely not on my list when I was looking for cars. I was looking at Maruti Fronx, Hyundai Venue, Kia Sonet, and that range of cars. Nexon, yes, all of those were there on my list. But this car was my father just told me one day that okay, this was the options that I had, and I was not able to make my decision because I was not completely satisfied with either one of those cars that were on my list, because there was always something that was missing in one of these cars. And so my father said, let's go and have a look at Renault, and my first reaction was, Renault kaun khareedta hai? But then I remember Duster, Renault Duster was a very good car, and I don't know why it was discontinued, but whatever the reason was, I just know that it was a big hit, that car. So I think okay, let's give it a try. And when I went to do a test drive and I went and saw the car, I really liked it. It had all the features that I wanted in my car. I wanted the wireless charger, and the biggest thing was the CVT, because as I said, when I was doing my research, all the cars that I was looking at was AMT, and AMT में मुझे हमेशा वो lag लगता था. So when I tried CVT, it was what I was looking for in an automatic car. Of course, as I said, all the features, I got all the features that I wanted, and at a lower price. Right.
If you opt किसी भी और कार का top variant, so
it was not going under 15 on road.
Yeah, that's the
thing. So this I have got at 12 on road price.
Okay, so यहाँ पे 12 on road, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so are you satisfied?
I am pretty satisfied. Yes.
Okay.
It is pretty comfortable, very smooth drive. Maybe not very fancy, but I think it is good enough for a city drive and for a regular use car.
Okay.
Oh, so when I was talking about the exteriors and the color, what I told you was this panel is what comes in brown to black shade, which is there in all their cars. So irrespective of whatever color from the outside the car is, this band always stays this brown black color. So when I was choosing my exterior, I looked at this and I matched it that way.
Okay, another girly thing I can say.
Right.
So one thing which I noticed is कि कार में थोड़ी सी नॉइज है ना?
कार में थोड़ी सी नॉइज है.
आप चलाते हो तो बाहर की काफी नॉइज आती है आपको.
बाहर की नॉइज भी आती है, थोड़ी सी कार की अपनी नॉइज भी है.
हाँ, ये चू 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 की आवाज आ रही है अंदर.
वो चू 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 तो is the seat covers.
Okay.
That is because the way I have got the seat covers fitted, वो उसकी वजह से ज्यादा है. But yes, आप कार की अपनी आवाज भी है.
हाँ, कार में नॉइज है. So सेफ्टी के बारे में बताइए.
So this car, I think the base model has been tested for the safety NCAP safety test.
Okay.
And the base model has got 4 stars.
Okay.
The top model has 2 extra airbags. So they said that it can pass the 5-star rating as well.
But let's assume 4 is good. ठीक है.
4 star is pretty good, and as compared to the other cars that I was looking at, सब में 4 थी. I think except Nexon was giving me
the 5-star.
5-star. बाकी सब में 4-star rating दिया है.
Okay. So guys, that's it for this video. Hope you like the video. तो वीडियो को लाइक जरूर करना, फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ शेयर कर देना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना, एंड बेल नोटिफिकेशन ऑन करना मत भूलना. और फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं. बाय बाय.